Hey guys, back in another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing. I got two packages today. Yeah, okay, this is the one we want to open first. Today we're gonna be unboxing something. Not gonna tell you because you'll see it when I open it. So I guess this will be surprise unboxing. Okay. There's your hint. It is older. Let's pick it up. Oh, that's cool. This box is in really good shape. So, you know what it is now. Inflatable birthday clown. This box is in immaculate shape. He said it was only used like once. 2004 Gemmy Industries. Oh, somebody's shipment stuff is on there. This is who they bought it from. They bought it from Outlet of America in Naperville, Illinois, back in 2004. So, I guess online or something. This is taped up. Seller said it was only used once and then put up and never used again. So that makes sense based on how the box is looking and how it looked in the photos was absolutely wonderful. And we're doing this like an old style unboxing where I don't really edit it, but I am gonna edit it a little bit just to probably cut out half of this conversation. Okay, finally, Jesus Christ. Okay. Has the old style flip open box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, there's our instructions. They look like normal 04 instructions. Let's see. Okay, so yes, has not been used. None of these have dirt on it, so they must have used it inside. They are like open. I think there's only one tether, but oh shoot. Well, there was the light bulb. I think it only has one tether unless the others are on it. Go ahead and take it out. It's in the bag. And here are the banners. Let me show you the box again. Comes with, how many? 3 banners. So here they are. Just Velcro. Happy birthday. And this one says, the party's here. And then here's a white one that I am thinking about using and writing Happy Valentine's Day on it and use this for Valentine's Day. Yeah, it even smells new. Those colors are very vibrant. I mean, okay, yeah, the other tethers are on him. As you can see, this is early. This is from March of 2004, so I think. Oh no, this is from December 2003 is when this was made. They bought it in March of 04 though. Oh yeah, okay. So that was just random. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For some reason, there's a tether attached to his base. So it does have all the tethers and stakes. How about that? The fan is in immaculate shape. I mean, this is a very, 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 very nice condition. I mean, there's no dirt on this thing. And the fabric, I wouldn't say crunchy, so it might have been put in the basement. But they didn't have it staked down in the photo. Like, they didn't have the base hooks clipped on, and he was still standing up. So obviously he inflates pretty well. Oh, look, this always happens. The hook always like stretches out. Kind of smells a little burnt, but that might have just been because it was in the truck. Has the normal fan. Yes, it is pre-lit. The zipper is sideways on this. Okay. There's his base. Let's find the plug that, okay. I'm not very prepared for this video. So I'm so sorry. Let's plug it in. Lights up. Very weak fan. I can't see through the fabric at all, so that's awesome. Yeah, he's not see-through at all. It's a very, very quiet and smooth fan. Okay, he has 1, 2, 3, I can't count, 3, 4, 5 lights. They go straight up. His head is tilting, but it seems to be doing that in the photos too. He does not inflate super tightly, but like I said, this fan is super quiet and honestly kind of weak. So, I mean, he stands up just fine. Definitely needs to be staked down because he's just so unsteady the way he's made. It's weird. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Okay, here he is. Don't let his 6-foot size fool you. He is quite large. I'm definitely going to check him for thin spots and probably give him a stronger fan because he just doesn't seem to be doing too hot. But I think that's all he really needs is just a slightly stronger fan. You can see the Velcro up on his hands. And his little fingers are kind of inside. His face is crunchy and like he's not see-through or anything. So like his hands are crunchy too. He does inflate good. He's just kind of weird. I don't know. Very interesting design though. Definitely will be using this for birthdays and whatnot. I wish I could get that to kind of like not do it. I don't know. I think it might just be air escaping from the seams because I can feel some air coming out of the seams. But you can hear the fan is just very slow and not super loud, which I do appreciate. But he actually has like a separate tie. This is a very, very thick material except for this. There's his face. He has like separate inflatable eyebrows. I don't know. You can see his hair is quite quite large. You can see it in the mirror over there. It is very poofy. That's what's making him lean, is that his head has so much volume to it. It would help if I like stitched this over and then he'd stand perfectly fine, because it's just making his whole head fall over. So that's probably what I'll do. Now I'm just gonna put one of these on it so we could see how that would look. And yeah, there it is. Happy birthday. That's very cute. I like him a lot. And he was only, I think, $18 plus shipping, so he wasn't much more than $40, which is nice because I think he is pretty rare, or at least the variant with the classic base fan. But yeah, here he is, guys. Thanks for watching. There will be a review on him soon.